be fine on the way there, but like
Yeah,
just like
yeah.
on the way back, like I'm just trying to
I'm
like
going to
look.
take that 311 North, the 74.
Yeah, because like honestly, the highway, like because like
I hope the
I mean they
highways.
probably maintain the highway, like they don't really care about 109, like so.
Yeah,
I mean,
it's
we're in it now, so
yeah. I
we're
mean,
in
this
it.
is an adventure in itself. Trust me. I mean,
I'll be honest, like as long as like
yes, I don't
as
want
long as you
to.
drive like slow, like you're
Yes,
fine.
I am, and I'm very careful, and uh, we cannot hit brakes or nothing. That's why I've been beaming the cars way till we pass. If we hit the brakes, we're done. And when a slope comes, I just put my foot off the gas, and it just rolls by itself, like right now. I didn't know it was going to be this bad at this time. I thought it was going to be in the morning.
Well, no, it's weird because it wasn't that bad in Winston.
No, it
And a
was.
person like warned me. They're like, "Are you sure? Like it's like really snowy. Like is someone like taking you out here?" I'm like, "I mean, it's not that bad here." And they're like, "Really? Because like it's really bad here." And I'm like, I just thought like, oh, like they're from North Carolina. They don't really know what like snow is. And then we started to drive out here. I'm like, oh, shit, like it's actually pretty
But yeah,
snowy.
it's if you look at it, it's like a blizzard. It's the snow is just hitting us.
Uh,
As long we don't slip and slide, I mean we're good. I just recently put these LED lights in, so they are pretty better than holy cow.
do you have like, so there's like lights where it like puts it down low. Do you have
Yeah,
those
this
on?
is the beam you mean to say? The beam?
Yeah.
If I put the beam, it will be like, uh, look, we won't be able to see. That's what they say. The
Oh, I
fog.
mean, like, there's like something where it like puts it like down low, like close to the road, because like,
Yeah, I mean, no.
actually, I mean, you probably have it on like the best you can get it
Yeah,
on,
this
but
is this is the. Yeah, I used to have a regular halogen bulb, but I put these LEDs in like a week ago, so they're much better than. I, I can see somebody's been on this road. Oh, wait.
I'm sorry.
I thought you were just going local.
I had no idea it was gonna be like this. If I knew it was gonna be like this, I probably just would have went to bed.
She has a truck, your friend. Oh,
Yeah,
okay, that's good then.
yeah, she said it's like 5 minutes away. So it should be good. Like if we get there.
If we get there, yeah, we will get there. Don't say that. This is my bread and butter. My car is my bread and butter. So
I mean,
just pray for the
worst case
best.
scenario, you just like
I
put on
cannot.
the heater and fall asleep or something.
No,
Like
no, we can't do that.
that would be like worst case scenario.
No, I came prepared. I have a shovel in the back and my gloves, my overcoat, my mask. I came prepared. So,
Hello. I'm sorry. It's gonna take a while. It's just like it's snowing really hard, and we're like,
it's like a blizzard.
okay, you've said it was snowing hard, and like in Winston, it's not snowing that bad. So I thought you were just like, fucking around. Yeah, yeah. So honestly, I'll probably be sober by the time we get there. So I mean, yeah, I thought you were just like I thought you were because like I saw Winston. I'm like, oh, this is nothing. I thought you were just like being like,
Peyton,
I understand. I understand now though.
Peyton, we're going
No,
to take this road, okay? go drive on this side because the truck just went by through here. So just want to let you know.
Yeah, just watch out for headlights. But
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. I mean, we're already like closer to where you are than like thing, so you don't really have a choice. I'm honestly, I'm sorry. Like, I didn't know that. I didn't know that like it was gonna entail this much. It, yeah, it'll probably be like 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
I know I've been saying that for like the last like hour. So okay, but yeah, that was probably a very poor decision on my part. But yeah,
Tell her we're driving on the opposite side of the
it
road.
literally says
Yeah, this is exactly the.
Friendship Ledford Road. I know that's. I mean, I feel like that's just like what the GPS said because I feel like the highways are like not that bad, but like
No, but
the ba-
a truck just went by. Two trucks.
well, we're fucking in this shit now, so yeah, we're fucking. I might have to fucking.
Man,
I might.
what I
I might
got
just have to
myself
run.
into.
Honestly, I have to. I'll fucking be there by like 8 a.m.
No, no, no. 328.
I'm just kidding. It'll be
328.
like it says 18 minutes
Tell
right
tell her
now.
to pray for us.
Yeah, we need a prayer for us right now, honestly. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, honestly. Um, I mean,
You're in good hands. Don't worry.
yeah, I honestly feel really bad. I, I mean, if it makes you feel better, like, I'm not that bad, but I mean, it's like five. I'm sorry. Honestly, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to get you in this situation. Yeah, I mean,
It's
I'll be there. Are you guys just like inside or? Oh, I mean, yeah, I understand. Well, I mean, I'm in the vehicle, so I can't just go to bed. I'm sorry. I honestly feel really bad.
it says wrong way. Are we going in the opposite?
Uh, but yeah, it says like 16 minutes. I know. It's just like
What
we
is
were
that?
like going fine, and then like it got really snowy. So like, I'm sorry. I'm honestly really sorry. I didn't mean to. All right. Yeah. I'll see you in a little bit. Is there like are you guys like in a town? Because like if you don't want to drive home, like I'd be fine. Just like
That's the
honestly,
Scott.
like getting a hotel room or something.